Unleashing tag questions. Seeking confirmation with rising intonation. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to dig into a fascinating aspect of conversational English, specifically focusing on tag questions. Today's video is all about how we can use rising intonation in tag questions to seek confirmation. Get ready to dive in and perfect your English conversation skills. Firstly, we need to make sure we understand what tag questions are. In English, we use tag questions at the end of a statement to turn it into a question or to ask for agreement or confirmation. It's like you're adding a mini question at the end. Here's an example. You're coming to the party, aren't you? Here, aren't you, is the tag question. Now that we understand tag questions, let's focus on how rising intonation is used when seeking confirmation. Rising intonation means the pitch of your voice increases towards the end of the tag question. This signals that you are asking a real question, and you genuinely want to know the answer. For instance, if you say, "It's a lovely day, isn't it?" with a rising intonation on, "isn't it?" it means you are unsure and you are genuinely asking if it's a lovely day. Let's try some practice sentences to perfect the rising intonation. Remember, the pitch of your voice should go up at the end of the tag question. 1. This is your book, isn't it? 2. She will be at the meeting, won't she? 3. They've done the task, haven't they? Try repeating these sentences and make sure your voice rises at the tag questions. It's also important to recognize that not all tag questions use rising intonation. If you are simply confirming information you believe to be true, you use a falling intonation. So, the statement, "You're an English learner, aren't you?" with a falling intonation implies you are fairly sure the person is an English learner. The difference can be subtle, but with practice, you'll be able to master this distinction. And that brings us to the end of this lesson on rising intonation in tag questions when seeking confirmation. I hope this video has been useful in improving your conversational English. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice, practice, and more practice. So don't be shy to use them in your everyday English conversations. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more lessons. Happy learning!